Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to use average if function in Excel sheet. Before going to start the lecture, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I have already uploaded around about 40 video tutorials on this channel, which you can check with the name Excel Learning Course. Let's get back to the Excel sheet. This is the data I want to use the average if function on. So first of all, I would write equal sign and then write average. This will open the options available, average if, and press tab key and then write select the range of data which you want to average and then comma and write the condition. What is the condition? I want to average the values which are more than 40, for example, and then I will close the bracket. Just to understand the formula or the formula syntax, I will just first of all tell you this is the average if function followed by a start bracket. Then we select the range and then we give a comma and then double quote. In the double quote we write the condition or the criteria which we apply before calculating the average of a particular range. So after writing the formula, I will press enter key and this will give me the range of, the average of this range. Now if I want to change the criteria, I can write give me the average if average of values less than 40 and press enter. So here we get the average of all those values which are less than 34. This was how we use average if. If you like this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.